Hey everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve failed searching on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve failed searching on the application of TikTok, you should just click settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you click. Here in this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about TikTok, and you can update here your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time.